Hello, it's me again. In the last 2 years, we've been hearing from the Al-Shabaab group. Now, the Al-Shabaab, you guys need to listen to me. I know you guys are listening to me right now. I know you guys got internet and YouTube. You guys download Arabic music. Now, listen to me. You guys need to stop the war. At first, I used to think that you were football players. But you guys are all different. You play other different games. Now don't play games with me. I'm a very serious guy when it comes to human life. Al-Shabaab, they are an extremist group of people who want to hijack the Somali people and the Somali state, and they want to give our land that belongs to the Somali people to Afghans, Arabs, Persians, and other Middle Eastern people. Their mission is to liberate Jerusalem. They are not thinking about how they could help the Somali people that are in every refugee camp in East Africa. They introduced a whole new system that is not familiar with us and is new to us in Somalia, and that is called suicide bombings. When was the first time you heard a Somali guy is doing a suicide attack? It was in Baidawa, I think 2 years ago, when they were fighting Abdullah Yusuf the Inkarqabe, where his brother got killed. They ignored all the Islamic scholars who said stop the war, this is fitna. They are the same terrorist group that attacked Hargeisa, the capital city of Somaliland, a peaceful city, peaceful country, and in the neighboring self-autonomous state called Puntland, Bosaso, they attacked and killed civilians there. They are good at brainwashing young kids, and they are telling them they will go to paradise if they kill lots and lots of Somalis. Most of the time, they use young kids that lost their parents in the civil war, who really think, they have nothing to live for, so the Al-Shabaab, gives them food and shows them, love and all kind of things. They point out the warlords that killed their people, and they say, these are the guys who killed your parents. See, the Al-Shabaab they are a big network working together, even in Western countries. So, and before they do this, those suicide bombings and all kind of things and blowing up themselves, they listen to Arabic music, and that is allowed, they tell you. There is a hadith that is telling you that if there is a power struggle between the two groups, let the Quran decide which way is the righteous way. But screaming Allahu Akbar and destroying the Somali legacy and digging up graves, the dead could not escape from the Al-Shabaab militia, extremist backwards group. Leave the dead alone. Abu Godene, think you're going to hear what I'm telling you. I know you can hear me. They gave you a cute name. They call you now Abu Zubair, but I will address you as your right name, Ahmed Abdi Godene. You need to stop the fitna you're doing against the Confucians. They need peace. You need to bring back the money you stole from the National Bank of Hargeisa and tell your friends to stop hiding their faces. The Ashabu al-Mu'mineen, they never used to hide their faces. And change your ways. This is me, Haji Hunjuf. God bless Somali people wherever they live, and may God destroy Al-Shabaab. Peace be upon them. and peace be on our people.